I'm Lana.
I'm Patrick.
So today is Friday, which means we have a weekend ahead, and we are going on a trip.
Yeah!
所以我们要去哪里？
我们今天要走一个北横公路的旅行，我们会去士林温泉、大溪茶厂。
over there.
Rocket!
Yay! And we already got the tickets. Only 100, which you can use in the shop to buy the tea later on. And now, let's go for it because we have the tour.
Alright, just stop talking. Let's go.
Good student. Check out, guys, this machine is super interesting. Look how there are so many small details. I think it was pretty difficult to assemble. And this is not a Terminator.
I'll be back.
This is used for tea packaging. So the tea would come from the top and then go all the way down, following the process, and then it would be packaged here. So this is very interesting. Okay, let's go check out more.
Alright guys, you know what's something really cool about this here? At this area where you're looking at, there is like a water pond, right? It used to be a storage for all the tea leaves. Another cool part is, if you try to find a toilet inside of these factories, you'll never find it. Why? Because all the toilets are outside. One of the biggest reasons why they do that is because they don't want the tea to have the smell of the toilet.
Okay, let's go inside. Let's see what's inside.
This phase, they're really special. You put here almost at every single corner. So the function of this, it actually create a better air circulation inside. You check out here at this platform, they put all the leaves here because there's hot air generated from the first floor. And then the steam slowly comes out to help dry all the tea leaves that you put it on top. Then you see that all these nets hanging on the pillar? They will put the tea leaves on top of it as the last process, so that it completely dry and to remove the grass smell.
In the early years of this factory in 1930s, the demand for the tea was very, very high, particularly to export it to Japan. Those cypress racks were installed, and you can see there are nets for drying the tea to kind of speed up the process and to be able to produce more tea. And Patrick, the tea maker, is gonna tell you how to make the perfect tea.
So green tea. So do you guys notice that sometimes when you make the green tea, it tastes so bitter, right? That's because you shouldn't use the boiled water. You should use the water, the temperature should be 80 degrees. And then for the black tea, it should be 85 degrees.
Alright, so we ended up buying a lot of green tea, black tea, and even
A rice noodle that's made with tea.
and we are going now to the waterfall. I hope it won't be too dark because now it's already 4 p.m.
Yeah.
We got stuck a little bit at the tea factory. Let's go to the waterfall. Let's go. Come on. Okay, so we're running to see the waterfall. Wait a second. Look at that.
Oh my
It's
God.
so huge.
Look at the water there.
It's super tall.
Huge pool. Oh my
And the
God.
water is so clean. It's a marathon time. It's not a skywalk yet, but wow. So next up, skywalk. Come on, we need to finish.
Skywalk. Come on. It closed at 5. Now it's 4:20.
Let's go! Look, so cute. There are so many kids.
I see.
Oh, we have the best time. Wow, look at the color.
It's so crystal blue.
Only $50. Show me the tickets. Yeah. And we are taking the skywalk. I think that's the top of the waterfall, which we just seen.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's crazy! That's crazy! I want to see what's there. No way! No way! It's it's so big. Oh my god!
Yeah, definitely worth visiting. So beautiful.
So the same ticket, we can also go to the bridge. Woo! So there's another waterfall, even a double one. Super cool.
2 layers.
Two layers. So many waterfalls in this area. It's a dinner time. We got some local tribe, and then there is a truck where all the local people getting the food. I guess it's very popular. So we also stop by here.
Local taste.
No meat. Bon appetit. So we are on our way to the Silang hot spring. The hot spring is just over there. So there's a forest. So now we just park nearby the road to camp here, so we can be the first one to go to the hot spring. So yeah, it was a great day, full of adventures, and tomorrow I'm looking forward to hike to the hot spring and discover new places. So yeah, maybe for now it's time to sleep, even though it's only 9 p.m. We need to wake up early.
Yeah, exactly.
Good night.